everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Guess what? Nothing new. I have a box of clothing to share with you today. I'm so excited to get into this box. I am really happy that you joined me. This is a mystery reseller box that I purchased on Poshmark, and the seller's name, the store name is Antiq Boutiq, and I will leave the information in the description box below because Antiq Boutique Closet actually offers a couple different varieties of reseller mystery boxes. Now, the one that I purchased has shoes in it, and you know I couldn't resist. This box will have 2 pairs of shoes in it. This is supposed to be a 5-pound box. That is what I ordered, but it's a little bit heavier. I believe the seller did purchase a more expensive label, a 6-pound label. So yeah, that was really thoughtful. The price did not change for me just because the box weighed a little bit more. So I really appreciate that. Now, the price I paid for this box was $40. I did have to pay shipping and I paid taxes, which brought the total of this box to $49.52. Let's see if it's worth it. It's all taped up, so I am, oh, did you see? It actually says, thank you, Kelly. That's a nice touch. So I'm going to open this off camera because there's a lot of tape and I appreciate that. I like to know that the items that I have purchased, these belong to me and I want them to arrive in a safe condition. So let me open this and I'll share it with you. Okay, the box is opened and this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's very pretty. It does have some stickers on here. It says, "Your order made my day. I hope this package makes yours." So that's really nice. And okay, I'm going to put the box on the floor and I'll pull the items out. Okay, the top piece looks very cozy. This is a sweater. This is a brown and tan kind of cowl neck sweater. It does have some color blocking on it. And let's see, who are you? This is a nice size, I can tell. And this is Athleta, size extra large. Yes. So I do prefer selling larger sizes in my closet. This might be Kelly's size. I don't know. Okay, I see the shoes next. I see the shoes, the first pair of shoes. Look at these. Look at these. Oh, these are beautiful. These are gorgeous. These are Sam Edelman. Can you see that inside? It also says it on the back right there. Sam Edelman. It says 40. So I don't know if that's what the thrift store once wanted or if that is the size. The size is in here. It looks to me like these are an 8. These do have a hidden platform in them. Look at that heel. Look at that heel. How do the heels look? Okay, the heels look good. Just maybe a little bit of suede cleaning there, but there's no nicks in the heels. Same thing with the toes. Wow, these are beautiful. Sam Edelman is a brand that does very well for me on Poshmark, and these are gorgeous. These are really a Kelly shoe. They look like they might be a little, the heel might be a little bit too tall for me, but you know I'm gonna try these on. While we're at it, I see the next pair of shoes, so I'm going to share them with you. They do have a little fuzz on them, and these are Crocs. These are a size 8 Crocs. So these are nice. I think Crocs, okay, some of you are going to hate me for saying this. I think they're ugly shoes. My entire family wears them. My husband loves Crocs. My children loves Crocs. And these happen to be in my size, a size 8. I know these are really easy to clean. These look like brand new. And it looks like they have, yeah, a little Velcro strap right there. Guys, I'm going to give these a try. I'm going to try these today to see what all the hype is about with Crocs. If you don't see these in my Poshmark closet, it's because I fell in love with them. Okay, this is what the next piece looks like. I love it. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This is a textured sweater. Who are you? Let me see. This is Moda International. This is a size medium. This, oh, it is a cardigan. This is so soft. It's Angora. That's why. This is Angora. This is a beautiful textured sweater. It's got a little bit of a poof on the sleeve there, but this is a crop length, gorgeous, incredibly soft sweater. Moda International, a brand that I am able to flip, so I love this piece. All right, and the next piece we have is has Angora on it. This is a black, oh, this is Torrid. Oh, how cute. Look at this. Super cute. Little black, almost like a t-shirt, stretchy top, but then we have this cute peplum detail, and it's almost like a Swiss dot on the bottom of it. This is really cute. Size 2. Love selling Torrid. I am very, very happy with this piece. Next up is some denim. Let's see. Who are you? What? These are AG. These are AG denim. These are the aged denim. And these are a size, where is the size? Why am I missing the size? Guys, it's in here, I'm sure it is. 25 regular. So these are what the jeans look like. That's the pocket. They are skinny, and they do have a raw hem, but that hem is reinforced. I appreciate that. These are stretchy. So this is a smaller size, but it's contemporary. These are AG. Who doesn't love AG? These look like they're a medium rise to me, but yeah, I'll take AG all day long. Okay. Sadly, we have come to the last piece in the box. This box is really good. I might have to think about ordering another box, and I don't know what it is, but it's a sweater. And I'm happy about that because, frankly, I would prefer to source seasonally appropriate, and sweaters are selling right now. This one is express size large, so this could be a Kelly top. So this one is great. It does have a metallic fleck in it, some metallic threading. It's really subtle, but look at that scoop neck. So this could be a date night sweater, and you can see it's got some ribbing on the bottom of it. This is a loose weave. Very, very pretty and beautiful shape. Oh my gosh, this is a really, really nice box. Let me count how many items I got. Number 1, the Crocs. I'm going to try these for myself. And number 2, these gorgeous, I should put them on the right. I should show them in the best. Oh, did I show you this? Look at, they have like a little croc embossed detail. Those are, okay, so I love the Sam Edelman shoes. That's number 2. Help me count because I'm already getting distracted. The Express sweater, number 3. This gorgeous Angora Moda International cardigan. That's number 4. The Torrid top, that's super cute with that peplum detail, number 5. The AG jeans, number 6. And I forgot already who this sweater is by. The sweater by Athleta. All right, 7 pieces. I paid about $50. So roughly, I'm just going to estimate and say that's about $7 per piece. Will I be able to make my money back on this box? Absolutely. Will I be able to double my money? No doubt. In fact, the Sam Edelman shoes alone, when I sell those, they should pay for the entire box. The other items are in very, very good condition, and they're also on trend. I mean, they're not old styles, and they're current season. So that is very, very helpful. Would I recommend this box? Absolutely. You guys, the information is in the description box below. But before I close out this video, that is all the mystery box from Antiq Boutique today. But I do want to talk to you a little bit about reseller mystery boxes. You guys know I love a mystery box, and I frequently order them, and I'm always hoping that I will be able to sell the pieces in my online stores. I also secretly hope there is a piece that I will be able to keep for myself because, you know, I'm addicted to shoes and clothing. But I want to talk to you about reseller mystery boxes because recently there was an Instagram seller that was not on the up and up, and a lot of resellers got burned by buying reseller mystery boxes. And I did have some resellers reach out to me to let me know that their business was really hurt by that. They sell reseller mystery boxes, and they kind of took the punches with the seller that was not so honest. And boy, it really that really bothered me, but it made me think about myself as a Poshmark seller. Every single time that I sell something and send a package out on Poshmark, I am actually representing the Poshmark application, the Poshmark business. People don't necessarily think that they're getting a package from Kelly Shaffner. They know they ordered from Poshmark. So I am representing Poshmark every single time I send a package. And if the buying experience is, less than great, we could potentially lose customers. And unfortunately, I think that has happened to a lot of people that rely on reseller mystery boxes. So for the month of October, I will be supporting other resellers by purchasing more and more reseller mystery boxes. I'm going to open them on this channel so that you can have a little bit of exposure to the sellers that I am purchasing boxes from. Now, what makes me decide who to purchase from? Because honestly, I don't know any of the resellers personally that I am purchasing from. But the first thing I do when I look for a reseller mystery box is that's what I search for, reseller mystery box. And because I'm cheap, I always look for low priced boxes. How about you? I actually had a viewer that recommended that I risk more, that I spend more on these boxes, and perhaps I would get better boxes, but I don't think that is necessarily the case. So I check out the seller's Poshmark closet, or if they're an eBay seller, I check out their stores to see what types of brands and items that they are selling. Because if the seller is selling basically lower priced items in their closet, that's the type of inventory that they have. That's basically what you can expect to get in your mystery boxes. That's what they are sourcing. I've tried lots of mystery boxes. This channel has tons and tons of ThredUp unboxings. I've tried Jomar. I've even done wholesale and some mystery boxes that I have not filmed because I didn't think that they would offer any value to you. I'm going to give you my opinion on mystery reseller boxes based on my experience alone. Most resellers that create these boxes really work hard to curate a product that you will be able to profit from. Some don't, though. That's just the truth. And so I just want to tell story time, a little story. So let's just say that you have invited your dear friend, or maybe not even your dear friend. Okay, how about this? Your dear friend, and they're bringing a new friend, a stranger to you, to your house for dinner. So they're coming to dinner tomorrow night and you're going to prepare the menu. So when you're preparing that menu, what do you do? What do you do when you're thinking about what to serve your friends? And I ask you that because would you go to the refrigerator and say, oh, there's some leftover hamburger and I've got some cheese. I might need to throw that cheese out. Maybe it will do. And oh, I've got some fruit here, a little moldy. I'll just cut the mold off that fruit. I'm doing this because I'm saving this food. Or would you prepare a fresh home-cooked meal for your friend? I think this story really illustrates the difference in resellers. The ones that really want to serve and provide a service, a quality service for their customer. And then I think there's the other resellers that are happy to feed you that leftover hamburger, that moldy fruit, and that cheese that should have been thrown out a month ago. And you never know. What I do recommend is if you plan on purchasing one of these boxes, get familiar with the seller. If the seller does not have time to answer a small inquiry from you concerning your purchase, they probably don't have time to put together a quality box. That is my feeling on it because, guys, I've got those rotten leftovers and I have also received the feast. And most of the resellers pack these boxes. They are pre-packed, and when you order, they grab one and they send it to you. So these boxes are generally not curated with Kelly Shaffner in mind or my wonderful viewer in mind. They are packed with love from the very beginning, or they are packed carelessly. How do you know? Read reviews, talk to the seller, and take recommendations from other people that have tried the service. Do I recommend the one I did today? Absolutely. I have another one coming, and I'll share that with you next week. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I would love to hear your thoughts and your experience with mystery reseller boxes. Please leave it in the comments below. Let's chat. I can't wait to see you. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Blessings to all of you.